There are some really big name IPOs at the moment, and AI is obviously dominating much of the conversation. What I wanted to ask you is how's that shaping your thinking at a portfolio level?
Yeah, it's IPOs. I think can be extremely kind of divisive from like a market
Mm.
commentators, asset allocators lens. It's just because you have some who just say, okay, these mega IPOs are coming in. That's signaling top of the market.
Mm.
No one lists at the bottom of the market.
Mm.
But then you get others that say, yeah, this is just a healthy environment for the market. You're starting to see IPOs come back in, and maybe just gives evidence that the bull market has legs. Now, kind of from the data, from the evidence, it's less kind of conclusive either way. The one thing I will say is, while people see these mega IPOs and think, oh, there's just so much, there's an avalanche of money coming in, flooding
Mm.
the market. One has to realize that the US market cap, the total market cap of US markets is $77 trillion. And so, you think about even with SpaceX 1.5 trillion, Anthropic 1 trillion, OpenAI probably not too far away from that. While these are massive companies,
Mm.
the broader context is a lot bigger. The most important thing you have to look at is just the fundamentals
Mm.
and the macro fundamentals. If the macro is relatively resilient, economy is still growing, it will overlook anything from the IPO market. So that's the most important thing.